Mathiko-inĩ ma Raila Odinga, mweri wa nyina na MUTIGAIRI Raila Odinga Bondo County-inĩ ya Siaya. Ũteti wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ na thiriti ya ODM na Raila Odinga nĩ ũcirĩirwo na gĩkĩro kĩnene. Kalonzo MUSYOKA akiuga ndũgũ yake na Raila Odinga nĩ abangĩte maingĩ gũkũ akĩhithuria atĩ we nĩ amenyithĩtio nĩ Raila atĩ ũnyitanĩri wa ODM na UDA ndwabatiĩ gũkĩra mwaka wa 2027.
Never betray what our brother Raila stood for. And therefore that is my mission to you, Ndugu. As you do your broad-based arrangements, we have no problem. Raila left you at that. But also Raila said, up to 2027, fine. Up to that time, tutaongea hayo mengine kajwang. And I will tell you, because 15 years with brother Raila Odinga was not just a joke. It was a very deep relationship. A relationship anchored on the democratic values of our country and the future we wanted to bequeath to our young citizens, including our agencies.
Ona gũtuĩka Kalonzo ndanyurĩte ciĩgiĩ mĩario yake na Raila Odinga, nĩaugĩte ica ikuhĩ nĩ ekũhithũria maingĩ marĩa macirire na Odinga, gũkũ thiriti ya kĩama kĩa ODM akiuga onao nĩ maheirwo mũkana wa gũkĩrĩra Kalonzo.
Lakini hivi karibuni mimi nitazungumza juu ya Kalonzo na Raila Odinga. Nitazungumza ili kwamba niongee initoke. Si namna hiyo? Nitaiongea initoke. Kwa sababu mimi sitavumilia nione jamii ambayo imedhulumiwa miaka yote. And I was thinking myself, through the efforts of my brother Raila Odinga, we were going to get justice for every community.
You see, many people have said things that Raila told them. But there's one thing Raila also told us about Kalonzo MUSYOKA. He told us not to scandalize, not to attack, and not to antagonize Kalonzo MUSYOKA. And that is why in the Senate, the deputy leader of minority in the Senate is still Senator Enoch Wambua.
Ikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ ũteti wa riboti ya ũrũmwe ya NADCO nĩ ũhutirio. Mũtongoria wa DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa, ũrĩa warĩ ũmwe wa memba kamĩtĩ ĩno, akiuga thirikari ndĩrĩ na wendi wa gũkinyanĩria riboti ĩno.
Wandai, tulikuwa na yeye katika NADCO. Our brother Eugene, I think had your reason not to sign. I was just talking to Wandai. He didn't sign the final report of NADCO. But one of the things we said, kwamba wale watoto waliuawa in 2023, over 73 of them, wengine tuliwazika hapa Siaya, wengine upande wa Machakos na kwingineko, hata kabla ya agency in 2024, ni lazima watoto hawa walipwe ridhaa.
Kĩrĩ ũguo atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro nĩ maugĩte o matingĩnyitanĩra na thirikari ya President Ruto gũkũ magĩkinyĩria atĩ arĩa othe magurarĩre mabatiĩ makinyanĩrio kĩhoto kĩao.
Tutaulizana maswali haya. I said myself, General Ogola was taken out, a member of this community. I still stand by that statement. We are going to have to interrogate every circumstance so that as men and women, brothers and sisters, in Luo Nyanza, in every part of the country, we will be led by the Raila vision.
Mahakama yametupilia mbali mambo ya ile kamati ya Profesa Makao Mutua. Na sisi tulisema na Kalonzo, let us follow the constitution and allow the institutions to work, including the Kenya National Human Rights Commission, to do justice for all victims waliowawa na polisi wa Kenya.
Ado ini haka meme TV retora kwa ni MWARA. Wadungu.